Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you my first Android app that I developed and published to Google Play Store. So you can see, let me just show you on my mobile phone the app that I'm talking about. I have given the link in the video description. So this is my mobile phone. So this is the app that you can see on your screen, which is Python projects, free source code and scripts. So you can see already I have got 16 reviews on my app here, 5-star reviews. So you can just go to the video description link and then you can install this app here. So you can see these are the 5-star reviews that I got here from people here. You can see all reviews. So if you see all these reviews, you will see people are liking this app here. You can see. And also let me just install this app and show to you. So if you go to this Play Store link, just click the install button here, and it is just 4 MB app here, 4 megabytes. So it will install this. You can see 3.94 megabytes app is there, so it will just install this. So now if you click the open button, so you will see a list of programs will be there here. You can see list of Python programs will be there. So I will be updating this app from day to day. So this is a very fantastic app. No ads are there for the time being. So let's suppose if you just click this program, it will be opening inside this text editor. So here you can read the Python program. So it's a Python program to get Wi-Fi password of your laptop. So you can see this is the two buttons are there, official blog. You can go to my official blog as well through this link, or you can go to my YouTube channel to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is a great um, Python app here. So you can just find various good Python programs. Python program to calculate area of regular polygon. So you can see this is the text editor. So here you can just read about this. Just copy paste this Python program. So I will be adding some more features to this Python app. So just install this. The link will be there inside the video description. So this is my first Android app since 2018 when my Play Console account was suspended. So I purchased this account just 5-10 days back, and then I published this app inside Play Store. So I just wanted to share this app with you. So various programs are there of Python here. So make sure that you check out this app and rate this app also accordingly, and just write a detailed review as well so that my app can rank on Play Store. So you can see various programs will be there. So I will be adding some more programs, up to 1,000 programs I will add inside this app. So this will be a good reference for Python programs if you want. And now if I want to show you the analytics here, let's suppose if I exit this, let me show my Play Console account here. This is my Play Console account. You will see Google Play Console account. And you can see these are my all apps here. So two more apps have I published here. You can see domain website Alexa rank checker and domain age checker. So these are in review here, as you can see. So if they are just accepted, I will be making separate video for this one. But let me just show you this app here. So what are the statistics that you will get here? So this is the link here which they provide. You can view this app on Google Play. So you can see 24 ratings are there. So as people are discovering this app, they are reviewing this app. So make sure that you review this app and also rate this app accordingly. So let me just show you the statistics of this app here. So most of the people you can see from India here, Pakistan, Nigeria, Uganda. So these are the countries where this app has been installed. So day by day analysis is there. You can see April 28th we got 18 installs, then we have 3 installs, then 1 install. So these stats will be updated from time to time. So make sure this is my app statistics. So this was the overall app, guys, Python projects. The link will be there inside video description. You can just go to it, install this app, and make sure that you review this app and rate this app. And thanks very much for watching this video.